Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Jashan Art. I am Jashan and today we are going to create amazing painting on this canvas using this glue gun. So yes, today we are going to have a lot of fun in this video. So let's get started. So I am ready with all my art materials and going to draw a quick sketch on this canvas. I am starting from the center and going to draw a lot of petals around it. And this big rose is having few leaves around it, and at some space another rose is there. As you can see, this sketch is very easy guys. We just need to draw petals randomly. There is no specific pattern in it. After completing the sketch, I am going to use this glue gun to make layer of glue on the sketch. You know, this layer of glue is looking like it is dividing all the petals in different territories, having walls inside them. Guys, I am first time using glue gun in any of my artwork and I am really hoping for the best artwork. Till now, this is really looking good to me. And what do you think about it? Do let me know in the comments. So now as I'm done with the glue gun part, so I am going to use this white acrylic paint to cover the full canvas with this. We need to paint full canvas with this and then we have to leave it for drying for some time. As my canvas is now dried up, so I am going to fill red, orange and yellow paint in all the petals, which are now looking like different territories with walls separating them. I want this wall like lining to be white all the time, so I am avoiding to paint this and trying to paint just in the area between these walls. So it is really difficult to paint inside this area as my brush is touching these glue walls, but I am trying my best to avoid any kind of mistakes in this. I am just filling random shades in it, but this is clear that I am using only yellow, orange and red paint for this. Guys, I want to tell you that if you want me to provide any kind of art challenge, you can tell me that in the comment section, because I'll try my best to complete that art challenge and I'm waiting for your comments guys. So if you are having any kind of challenge in your mind, do let me know about that. As I have filled all the petals and have filled leaves in green acrylic paint and the gap between two flowers using blue paint, so I am done with all the basic components of this painting. Now I am going to use sponge to paint white layer on the glue, as I messed up in between and I painted these walls in the color, so I want it clean and white. So I am doing this and this is really working guys. So guys, our painting is now ready. I hope you like it. If you like it, then press the like button and you can share this video with all the art lovers you know. I'll meet in the next video. To watch my next video, you can subscribe this channel and press the bell icon. I'll meet you there. Till then, bye bye. Take care. You are amazing. Thank you so much for supporting my channel.